What up, YouTube? This is my friend. Today, we're doing an unboxing of some Superrradical. That was harder than Babo.
Why did you do that?
So I lost my box cutter. Not my box cutter, my letter opener. So this is the only other one that I have. It's smaller than my other one, but it'll still work. I can never get a good angle on these types of packages. It's really, just like, okay, there we go, got it. Yeah, sometimes it like, I just gotta, like, fiddle with it. It's a little dull, like, that's the only rip that it, whoa, Matrix. I like that. You know, sometimes you gotta rip it, because, you know, it's just like a normal shirt. Yeah, it's a shirt. And, yeah, so, nothing else in there. Yep. Whoa! Okay, so I got a, as an extra, I got a Hellboy bracelet.
Is that a good thing?
Yes, they put these in a few, so it's like a chance. So I got lucky.
How much are they worth?
I don't know, I'll have to look it up. Here's my receipt. I'm keeping that. It's a sticker. It's on wax paper. And here's the actual shirt. We're gonna open it up.
Does it have the Kool-Aid Man on it?
Yes, it does. So, here
Superrradical.
it's fresh out of the packaging. Superrradical shirt.
Superrradical.
Superrradical. There you go.
Superrradical.
He's holding a cup of what I believe to be high-tech codeine promethazine. He himself also appears to be codeine promethazine.
I don't think you're right.
He is right.
I am right.
But it's pink.
Yeah, it's high-tech.
Bro, have you never seen high tech with lean mixed in it? It looks pink.
I thought it was red.
It is red when you pour it out, but when you mix it with Sprite and shit, it looks pink.
I wouldn't know.
Yeah, of course you wouldn't.
High-tech codeine promethazine. I got it in a size large, and we're gonna try it on. No nudity on my YouTube channel. What is that? That's my question. No nudity.
Yes.
No nudity. We're trying it on over this shirt. I dropped the shirt.
Crochet hook here.
My katana.
Gotta crochet my dreads.
Okay, so I know how to do this. I do it in school sometimes. This is what you do. You put on this shirt. Just like that. Then you take these, do a chub and tuck.
Where'd it go? Oh.
Oh, no nudity. No nudity. Hey, he's violating my rights of man. Life, liberty, and happiness. Life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness, actually. Okay, so this is what it looks like.
Wait a second. If pursuit of happiness is part of the Constitution, why are drugs illegal?
Because that makes people happy. So why don't you getting snaps from people? Okay, so this is what it looks like on body. You know, it's a pretty high quality shirt, really thick. Feel that? Feel thick, right?
It's a thick shirt.
High quality.
You
Yeah.
could even say top quality. No, you couldn't.
It's I mean, top quality would be like,
An overstatement.
yeah,
Top quality is reserved for the best of the best, like suits.
yeah,
Good suits.
top quality, like $500 suits. Those are top quality.
Or Goodwill suits. Those can be top quality. Depends.
Yes. But, very good shirt. I'd probably rate the shirt about 7 out of 10. No, 8 out of 10. Because I like the 3D looking on this. I like the Kool-Aid Man. Like he's drinking high tech. And
You think he just pours it into himself?
I think he took some out. Like,
That's
and put it in a cup, drink it, goes back in. It's like a continuous cycle.
what's the point?
So he can always sip that high tech. And, you know, it's also a very high quality shirt. Would recommend. Hellboy bracelet. Probably rate this about 7 out of 10. Just because I don't know.
I'd rate
feels a little cheap.
Bobbis out of Bobbis.
Feels a little cheap, right? It kind of feels like something like that'd be like handmade by like a little teenage girl sitting in a room.
It doesn't feel cheap.
I mean, like it's like
They just feel like
teenage
beads.
girly. Yeah,
But when you wear it, it makes you think of candy bracelets.
yeah.
To be honest,
So that's like weird.
looks like a candy
But
bracelet.
you know, that's kind of well. Actually, here I have something
That's not profane. I was just messing with the beads.
like this. This would be like high quality bracelet.
Let me see it. Gonna do a comparison. Bracelet comparison. What are these?
Just beads.
Okay.
They're all beads.
Got this beads, and this beads. One has a nice clack. This one. This has a very high-ended plasticky clack. This one is all like legit.
Yeah, but that's like
But this bracelet has cooler colors. So
that is true.
I rate this Bobbis out of Bobbis. I rate this
Steven out of
Bobbis out of
Bobbis.
Bobbis. One,
So-
they're not the same rating. I promise.
Boom. That's what they look like on wrist. Here, let me take that off real quick. Show off that Hellboy. Hellboy. I mean, personally, I'm probably gonna sell it to I don't know some. I don't know. Maybe
I'll give you a quarter for it.
don't want that. But yeah. I hope you bruvs like this unboxing. And I will see you again next time.